So, hello guys. My topic is application of 3D graphics in Valorant. Number one, the game environment design. the level, the level of design, creating immersive and interactive game worlds, including maps, terrain, buildings, and other structure. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Game worlds. So, uh, this is game environment design. Mm, let's start with the level design. Creating immersive and interactive game worlds, including maps, terrains, buildings, and other structure. Oh, papa, this is, ito yung yung game world ng, I mean, game world ng Valo. So, parang ito, the maps, also the terrain, buildings, look at the buildings. Pakita ko sa inyo. How did it made Riot made this one like this. So the other structures like this and dito like this one. Other structures on the maps. Meron pa marami to eh. Also this one like this tree. Yan. And so this is the other map. This map is called Ascent and look at the structures. Also look at this. They have something. Meron mga nakalagay na tulad yan, bike. Also, they have meats and they called it market pigs. Like merong silang parang ganyan dine. Ayan, gelato. Nakasabi niya. So, this is the map Ascent. Now, we're here in ito, summer dito sa maps. This called Sunset Maps. As you can see, punta naman tayo sa lightning and shading. Lightning shading simulating lightning, shadows, and reflection to enhance the visual appeal and realism of the game environment. So as you can see, this is called sunset because it's a sunset map. Ayan. Makikita mo dito the shadows simulating the lightning. Simulate lightning like this. From there, as you can see. And next, the reflections. Pupunta ka dito. Pag nakatapat yung arrow dito, makikita mo yung shadows and mga lights. Pag inikot pa natin, the enhanced visual appeal, realism of the game.
Yes.
Makikita mo dito sa ayan. Meron siyang papakita na meron mga sasakyan, ganun. May mga ibon like this one. And also, meron din mga sasakyan dito. Like this. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan, pero nakalahati siya. Punta pa tayo dito, meron din mga sasakyan. And the structures. Look at this one. The perfect. Also, here, mga cars. Meron din siyang billboards. And so on. Dito naman. Also, makikita mo rin dito yung lights. Ayan. Makikita mo rin yung mga ilaw. Also, yung ilaw ng makikita mo yung ano niya, yung yan, lahat may light. Ay, makikita mo yung particles ng lights. The chandelier. And ito ba? Yun lang. Ayan, like this, the shadow of the sun. Makikita mo yung talagang sunset. Like
No.
when you go up. Is diba sobrang realistic. May mga pinto, ganun, boxes. Also here, there is a car. So we're moving naman sa character design. Designing modeling characters with detailed textures and animation to bring them to life. Like this one, Astra. Called Astra controller Astra because she's a smoker, and also rigging and skinning, creating skeleton of core characters, finding how mesh deform with the movements. Then ito, si Breach Initiator. He can stun an enemy. Si Brim, the controller, Smoker 2. Yan. Chamber is Sentinel. Meron siyang mga traps like that and TP. And this one is Globe. Smoker 2. He can smoke anywhere in the map. Cypher is a Sentinel 2. Uh, he Meron din siyang mga trap. An enemy when he got the orb for his ultimate. Then Deadlock also a Sentinel. Can traps and like that. Uh, Pwede siya maglagay ng wall, something. Yun. Also, we got the feed initiator feed again. He can reveal, she can reveal the enemy, and also he got the ultimate that everyone's will be defend. Then Gecko, initiator. Initiator. He can flash some enemy. Also, he can stun it with his ultimate. Now move to ISO. It's a duelist agent that he can duel anyone with with his ability, like the shield and his ultimate, the 1v1. And now my favorite duelist is Jet. He got dash, he got updrap, and he got smoke also. Also he got knives to kill. Yeah, the Japanese Jet. Also we have initiator again. KO. He can flash enemy, he can reveal enemy too, and he can stop the ability of the enemy because of his ultimate. Also he got a I mean, meron din siyang bomb explode. And also we got KJ. KJ is a sentinel. He got a nano swarm, a alarm bot, and turret. Also a lockdown. We're moving out to Neon. Yeah, the duelist Neon. He got a fast lane like a wall. She also got a stun, and he can run as she wants to, as fast. And he got this ultimate like a kuryente ganon. Kuryente niya ganon. Then we get the controller Omen also. He gets smoke, he got this one, he get TP, his ultimate and his first skill. Also the second one is flash and the third one is smoke. Then we get the duelist Phoenix. Right, that is a duelist. He got wall, he got wall 2. Also he got flash and he got hot hands, fireball, and his ultimate he can actually pwede siya mag ano, pwede siya mag s- uh, yung ulti niya is and instantly place a marker of Phoenix location while this ability is active. Yan. Then we got the race duelist. He got a bomb bot, blast pack so he can jump higher, and paint shells the nade. Also we got his a then move to duelist Reyna. His ability is to have a flash, a devour. Yeah, he can pwede siya magkuha ng pag napatay niya yung enemy is makukuha niya yung life niya pabalik. And also is this she get dismissed instantly, a consume an herbicide becoming intangible for short duration. Ayan. Tapos his ult she get ult like Empress the ultimate, mabilis siya bumarel and nagiging violet siya. And we have the Sentinel Sage. This one is she get healed and walled. This one can revive also for in his ultimate, the resurrection. And the first skill is wall, the slur orb, second skill, and the third skill is heal. Sky is the initiator too. He get flash, also he get dog, and he get she get heal also. And she can reveal also the enemy by his ultimate, but 3 enemy only. And this one is initiator Sova. This one can reveal to an enemy. First skill is drone, second skill is shock dart, like damage for enemy, and the third is reveal enemy, and also the his ultimate is a dart, very long dart. Now we got a Viper, the controller. He can smoke too. The first skill, he got a snake bite too, like a um damage to enemy. Also the poison cloud, the smoke, and the toxic screen, the wall smoke. And also he got is a she got a ultimate like a whole smoke. Naka-smoke lang siya pag hindi siya nawawala pag nandun siya sa loob ng smoke na yun. Ganun, the ultimate. And also the duelist Yoru, the one who is stripping na merong fake fake Yoru and he get flash. Also he get TP, and this ultimate he can be a invisible to enemy. So moving to special effects, particle system, like creating effects like explosion, smoke, fire, and magic spell. Like this agent, he gets smoke, like this one. Wait,
Together!
he can smoke like this,
Fully smoked!
like wherever he can,
Launching smoke!
kahit saan banda basta sa part na ng map lang. And also here,
Smoke's down!
smoke. Also, he got a explosion.
Molly!
I mean the fire.
Molly!
It was a fire.
Molly!
And also his ultimate. The ultimate.
Open up the sky! My ult's ready. Open up the sky! My ult's ready.
Is.
Mortality
Also, this
doesn't
globe
have as many day-to-day
Got
benefits
a
as you think.
smoke, like the
Dropping
same
smoke.
as Dream. Also, you get this
Have one
one,
of these.
the magic
Here,
spell.
yeah. Have one of these.
Napampalambot ng kalaban pag tumama sa
Here!
kalang.
Cat!
Well,
Up one!
we get a explosion when you plant the bomb here on the side
Spike planted.
like that, and you wait to pop up. I think it's a 40 seconds bomb timer. So let's see. Like that one explodes the bomb. You can use it also. Punta naman tayo sa P6 simulation. Realistic movements, mga ginagawa ng agent. Implementing realistic physics for character movements, objects, interaction, and environmental responses. Like this. You can walk, but you cannot see the feet. Like that. You can shoot. Like this. So switch some guns. Realistic character movements. You can also updraft like this by using his skill and dash like this. So the knives, you can
Blocking sight.
smoke,
Blocking stuff. Blocking stuff.
also dash, dash,
I got the spike.
and you can walk like that. When we saw an enemy, to shoot, you can jump also, crouch, like that, and walk. Then going back to user interface, UI design, 3D menus, HUDs, signing, interacting, visual appealing, user interface, and integrated seamless. Like this one. The UD. You can buy something here. And also the menu. You can see your friends outside, where are they, and they got audio. The audio you can place with your mic. The audio, voice audio, sound, you can pwede mo hinaan palakas or sa sound effects, pwede mas mahina. And then hindi mo marinig yung sound effects ng baril. Hinina mo, wala siyang sound. Then go back to the video. They have resolution that you want. Also the graphics, you can low it all, or look at this one. Is a medium and the high graphics, as you can see in my monitor, like this. It's a realistic when it's a high graphic. See that? You can see the waters. Also, they have a crosshair. Crosshair, pwede mo siyang baguhin. And the controls. You need the controls for here. Communication, the equipment, the action, and the interface of your game. Also, the general, your sensitivity. You can invert your mouse. You can rotate the map. Or privacy. You can hide your detail. And also the match. And you can see I'm using jet